Make Market has these little ornaments that you can make and use them as toppers on your gifts this year. I think this is an amazing idea. I love to color, but I need like really quick projects because it's just something I do when I'm watching TV or something. And these things are on sale right now. And I think if you wanted to try out this particular craft, you could do this with these little ones to get an idea if you like it. It has everything you need, has instructions, but I like visuals. This is why I do this. It has a tray for the beads. It has a little ornament that's covered with a vinyl, like plasticky thing to keep the glue there and ready. And it's really sticky, let me tell you. And then it has a pin that has a hole in the bottom of it. It's just put into the glue pot, and it is a way for the beads to get stuck so that you can put them, and because the glue on the ornament is so much more sticky, it stays. It's wonderful. It's really easy, and it really will give you the idea whether or not you could do this. They even provide the closing baggies so that you don't lose the beads, and you don't have to worry about running around getting tape to close the baggies up to save the beads, because that would be me. The beads would be all over the place, which you can see. Look how sticky it is. And I'm just trying to move it carefully. So this is not like doing the whole thing. I do a fast forward part at one point. The tray, what a great idea for the tray. The tray, you shake it and all the little beads go in the right way that they have to go so you could pick them up. And you just follow along. The bags are labeled. It's like a paint by number thing. It's really, really fun. And I think it's a great little addition to a gift. Now I got a different view for you so you could see. There's just mind-numbing activity for you. I just need to stay busy myself. I do 100,000 different things. I like doing YouTube videos about these things so that you can share and see either how easy it is or how difficult or whatever. I'm not perfect. I'm not paid to do this. It's not my job. I just enjoy crafting, and I enjoy sharing what I do with other people. So I hope you enjoy this. It's just simple, I think. And I think your gift receivers will think you were magic when you show up with your packaging having some really cute ornament. Now, I don't necessarily put ornaments up on my tree all the time. I usually use some ornaments in the house for decorating. And so because when I take down the ornaments in the house, I always end up forgetting one. Always, no matter what I do, I can go through the house 3 or 4 times, but I will always find something, some decoration that I forgot to put away. And this would probably be one, because I have one hanging from a lamp right now. I thought it was so cute. It makes me feel festive. It's little, it's not heavy. I even think if you really wanted to, on the backs of these ornaments, you could put a little sticky that has a to and from to it. I think that would work out really nicely if that's something you wanted to do. So here it is, really fast. It's like 20 times. I'm not making you watch the whole thing. I'm just doing the end here. If you have enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up, because that really helps me. And I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm probably not even going to get 900 by the end of the year. But if you could like it so that it gets put out there, I'd appreciate that. And if you've subscribed, thank you so very much. I really appreciate that too. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you try this. Hashtag, let me know. I don't know if that works. I have no idea what I'm doing with social media. Anyway, this is this is it. I'm just putting on the little hanger. I think it's fun. It took me maybe 20 minutes, but I was also filming too, so there you go. Depending upon how much, you get distracted while you're doing your crafts, right? Anyway, so if you're interested in more DIY, check my next video, which is about what I'm going to do for my craft fair this year. I have several that I'm going in December, and then I have a big one in January. I hope you'll follow me. And thank you so much for lasting to the end. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.